Sun is shining, the weather is beating, makes me wanna move. You're dancing to the rescue. Here I am, want you to know, y'all. Can you understand? I think Zena needs a shit. Should have done that up there, love. Don't do it here, because it means I've got to run along and fucking pick it up. Zena! She's always eating shit. Come on! And then she turns away from me because she thinks she's fucking smart. She's originally born on Chelmsley Wood. That says it all, really. She's a Chelmsley bird. And her dog, her son, is half Chelmsley and half Shard End. So, crazy is what they do. Don't worry about the dogs, my love, just keep going. Gotta warn people.